Some bicycles will require additional hardware. For assistance with hardware or installation, call us at 1-877-BIKED, 245-3243. Adjustable, fits 26 in or 28 in bicycle tires, and features a fitting set to fit most but not all bike types. You will also need a 3mm hex wrench/Allen key not included. Specifications: lightweight, steel rack mounts to the back of your bicycle to help transport bags, panniers, cargo baskets and more at 40 pounds. Weight limit: a reflector bracket and spring flap are also included. Installation: an updated assembly guide is available. Please see product photos in the bottom of this listing page. Carry your cargo safely and easily with the standard bicycle carrier rack. Attach it over your rear wheel and use it to haul books, lunch bags and more. Because this rear bike rack creates a flat surface over your wheel, you can even attach a basket or box of your choice for carrying a wider range of items, such as groceries or other bulky cargo. It's an ideal choice for commuters and casual riders. With steel construction, the rack is strong and highly durable, so you can count on it for the long term. An included spring flap helps secure cargo. You can add additional bungees easily to keep bulky items secure. Reflector brackets provide greater visibility on the road for increased safety as you ride. An adjustable height mechanism adds to your convenience, enabling you to position your rack with ease. The black color looks nice with just about any frame style. This adjustable bike rack is a simple way to make your bike even more useful. Top reviews from the United States. Versatile and tough rack. I was having an impossible time finding a front rack for my MTB, a giant Yukon, and I replaced the stock front fork with an IRD-29er solid so as to preserve the geometry of the suspension fork, and I flipped this rack and managed an install that was in 2010 and it has worked. I feel the advantages in this rack are in its simplicity and wide variations of mounting possibilities, and in an unusual mounting situation it is an inexpensive rack and you can modify it if you need to. Yes, it is steel and it weighs more than aluminum, but it is strong and everything bolts together secured by locking nuts, and in my experience these have never loosened a bit. I did have to add a spacer as I have a disc brake and get a longer screw, but this was also with fenders which made it all the more complicated, plus as it was on a 29er fork I had flipped the rack, I had to use the reflector mount. My original plan was to replace this with a Jan front rack at some point, a $90 plus rack. At this point I am still using this rack and have never needed to switch. You will not find a better value in a bike rack, and as long as you can get it mounted it will be a good general purpose rack that you can depend on. I have what I consider a very nice trail road bike converted from an MTB, and I have swapped out and customized fork, handlebars, rear racks, pedals and spent more on toe clips than most racks cost, and this is still my front rack. At this price, if you think it might work for you, I suggest you give it a try and save money over expensive racks, and at least if it lacks features you decide you need, it gives you a rack you can use while you decide what your future needs are. With the exception of my knee saver pedal extenders and Bruce Gordon toe clips, I have big feet and shoes. This is the best value per dollar spent I have for my bike.